Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to use YouTube for kids. So if you have kids and you want to then use currently and let's say no adult content on YouTube as criteria and so on, all that you need to do is just go for Play Store or App Store and then search for YouTube Kids. And the first link you would have a suggest.net after installing because I already installed the application.
Welcome to YouTube
Get
Kids.
to
Get a
the app. It will be just a part here. I will just skip face. I will just sign in and then I will just here you need to get a password. I will get a password and then I will come back. Okay, so guys, after I enter my password, all of you will just get the your key information here. Let's see, I need and the age is gonna be like maximum for the kids. Let's say after the month I will just say for I will go for next. And here the thing like approve content yourself, or if it is like older or something or younger or preschool, let's say it's a younger one, so it's gonna be the age approximately it will be recommended by you. Then you will just next, then go to select, and here you have already allocated that sanity into your account. You will go for next, get email with recommended content and so on if you want that. If you don't, just don't do that. Anyway, all the things that you can do here, like just pressing settings, then download the video and so on to get the tip. Nice work. That's your kit profile. So all the things you need to do. I hope you like the video. Like, share, and subscribe.